Contamination is a leading cause of production inefficiency and product defects. Meach International is a leading manufacturer and developer of web cleaning systems used to remove dry and unbonded contamination from fast-moving webs. As more and more companies look for ways to reduce costs and increase efficiencies, a web cleaner has become a crucial part of any production process. One solution is the vacuum-based, contact web cleaner, the Meach VacClean. VacClean cleans a wide range of web materials including paper, laminates, textiles and films, delivering precise contact cleaning across every surface. But how does it work? Static charges on the web attracts dust and contamination to the moving web. As it travels through the VacClean manifold, Meach ionizing bars at the entry and exit neutralize these static charges, releasing trapped particles and preparing the web for thorough cleaning. Next, brushes at the entry and exit break the boundary layer of air. The web then passes between two highly polished stainless steel faceplates. Between these faceplates, a powerful vacuum generates a high-speed flow of turbulent air. This turbulence, guided by the contours within the faceplates, effectively lifts and removes dust, fibers, and other unbonded contamination. Contamination below 1 micron will be effectively removed from the web and transferred to the Meach Air Handling Unit. The Meach Air Handling Unit forms the core of every Meach web cleaning system, generating precisely balanced airflows and integrating an efficient filtration system to capture and contain even the smallest particles. Suitable for narrow and wide web widths. An easy-to-integrate design with a compact contact point that makes installation simple, even on existing production lines. Suitable for high-speed applications, VacClean keeps pace with the fastest production environments. The Meach VacClean is a versatile web cleaning system designed to perform across a wide range of applications. Wherever surface quality matters, the Meach VacClean delivers consistent, reliable cleaning performance.